How to upgrade or downgrade your subscription in Trades Copier. Welcome to Trades Copier. In today's tutorial, we'll walk you through how to upgrade or downgrade your subscription using the Trades Copier dashboard. From your Trades Copier dashboard, click the Manage Billing button. This takes you to the billing and usage page. Here, you'll see your current plan. For this example, we're on the basic product plan at $70 per month, which includes 7 accounts. Below this section, you'll find 3 key options: update payment method, cancel subscription, upgrade downgrade. Today, we'll focus on the upgrade downgrade process. Click the upgrade downgrade button. You'll now see 2 options: existing payment and add payment method. If you need to add a new card, use the add payment method option. Enter your details and click Pay Now. In this tutorial, we'll continue with existing payment. From here, you can easily upgrade or downgrade your plan. Each account costs $10 per month. Currently, we have 7 accounts at $70 per month. To add another account, simply click the plus button. Now you have 8 accounts and you'll see updated details below. Your new total is $10 per month. Click Update Subscription to confirm. As you can see, your plan has been updated. To downgrade your plan, simply click on the Upgrade Downgrade button. If you want to downgrade, click the minus button. Then click Update Subscription to confirm the change. Please note, even though you downgraded your plan, the change will apply from the next billing cycle. Your current plan stays active until the month ends. Hit confirm and here you go. Here, you can see that your subscription has been scheduled to start on June 27th, 2025. And that's it. You've now learned how to upgrade or downgrade your subscription in just a few clicks. For more tutorials and support, stay connected with Trades Copier.